scientists made a remarkable discovery about the Bornean flat-headed frog, a species that measures about 7 centimeters in length. This frog holds the extraordinary distinction of being the world's first lungless frog. Instead of lungs, it relies entirely on its skin for breathing. This unusual adaptation means that other organs occupy the space where lungs would typically be, giving the frog a noticeably admired appearance. This flat, streamlined shape is not just for show, it serves a crucial purpose. The increased surface area of the skin allows for more efficient oxygen absorption, and the smooth body helps the frog navigate the swift currents of the streams in its home, the Kalimantan rainforest in the heart of Borneo. The Bornean flat-headed frog was first discovered in 1978 and is currently listed as endangered on the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species. It is found only in 2 specific locations within the Kapuas River Basin. Unfortunately, its existence is threatened by pollution from nearby mining activities. The unique features and dangerous situation of this fascinating species highlight the urgent need for conservation efforts. Now it's time for today's subscriber's pitman. Deep in the heart of Borneo's thick, thriving jungles, where sunlight barely penetrates the thick canopy and the air is constantly soaked, a discovery that would shake the world's understanding of wildlife was made. In the heart of a remote swamp, where the water was stained a deep, strange green, and the dirt seemed to swallow the light, an explorer stumbled upon something truly extraordinary and terrifying. The exploration, led by renowned zoologist Dr. Evelyn Carter, had ventured into the jungle's uncharted territories to investigate reports of unusual animal behavior. For weeks, the team battled through thick vines, treacherous terrain, and a cacophony of unfamiliar sounds. Their objective was to uncover the truth behind these unsettling reports and to document any new species they might encounter. One particularly blurred morning, as the exploration walked slowly through the dark waters of the swamp, their guide, a local tribesman named Jaya, suddenly froze, eyes wide with terror. They stumbled upon a series of massive bones partially buried in the dirt. These bones, shockingly reminiscent of gorilla remains, but far larger and more robust, hinted at the presence of a creature of unimaginable size. Finally, as sunset began to envelop the jungle, they reached a clearing where the trees parted to reveal a large, clouded pool. And there, emerging from the water with an unsettling, slow grace, was the creature they had been seeking. Towering over them, this extremely large gorilla had eyes that glowed with a fierce, intelligent light. Its teeth, enormous and yellowed, gleamed with a threatening shine. The creature's sheer size and the brutality of its gaze were enough to make even the most seasoned explorers shiver. What might be the implications of discovering a creature of such immense size and fearsome appearance in Borneo's jungles? How could this discovery challenge existing theories about primate evolution and behavior? Let's know your thoughts and comments. Number 5, Borneo burles monitors. Monitor lizards are impressive reptiles that thrive in a wide range of environments across Africa, Asia, and Oceania. Among these fascinating creatures, the Komodo dragon stands out as the most renowned and inspiring. Komodo dragons are truly massive, with some individuals weighing over 300 pounds. To put their size into perspective, these lizards consume up to 80% of their body weight in a single meal, which helps explain their formidable size. Additionally, Komodo dragons are notorious for their fierce and fearsome hunting skills, making them some of the most formidable predators in the animal kingdom. But the Komodo dragon isn't the only remarkable monitor lizard. In the forests of Borneo, there is a unique species known as the Borneo burles monitor. This lizard is unlike any other creature on the planet. Its lineage traces back to reptiles from the Cretaceous period, around 145 to 66 million years ago, making it a direct descendant of dinosaurs. With its dinosaur-like appearance, including its absence of ear openings, its long body covered in brown, armored skin, and striking blue eyes, the Borneo burles monitor is a living relic from a bygone era. These monitor lizards are semi-aquatic, preferring habitats near water sources like streams and wetlands. They are carnivorous and always on the lookout for their next meal, showing a remarkable opportunistic feeding behavior. Unfortunately, the Borneo burles monitor is currently listed as endangered by the IUCN Red List. The primary threat to their survival is human activity, which has significantly damaged their natural habitat, a sadly familiar story. Number 4. Sun bear. The bear stands impressively tall at 2.3 feet at the shoulders and stretches 4 to 5 feet in length from head to tail. It's actually the smallest bear in the world. The sun bear's coat is completely black except for a distinctive crescent-shaped patch on its chest and a nose that can range in color from gray to pale orange. This patch might be creamy yellow, orange, or white and varies in size and shape. According to ancient myths, it symbolizes the rising sun, and this golden mark could make a sun bear appear larger during a fight. Sun bears have enormous barefooted fingers and long curved claws that help them grip and climb trees. They walk in an unusual way, with all 4 legs pointing inward, similar to an aquatic bird. These nighttime animals rely on their excellent sense of smell to hunt for termites, beetles, earthworms, and bees. They use their sharp claws to break apart trees and insect nests to find food. Sun bears have a diverse diet, feasting on beans and using their incredibly long tongues to extract honey from bees. Though little is known about their reproductive practices, research suggests that sun bears may form monogamous mating relationships. As one of the rarest bear species, sun bears are gradually decreasing in numbers. Number 3, the world's tallest tropical tree. Back in 2016, an exciting news story emerged from Sabah, Malaysia, on the island of Borneo. They had discovered a yellow Meranti tree that stood at an impressive 294 feet tall, claiming the title of the world's tallest tropical tree at that time. It was a moment of wonder and excitement. However, this record was short-lived. Gregory Asner, a researcher from Stanford University's Carnegie Institution for Science, made an astonishing announcement at the Heart of Borneo conference. He revealed that he had found not just one, but 50 taller tropical trees during his journey. It seemed that the initial measurements had missed these giants, or perhaps the tools used were not up to the task. The tallest of Asner's discoveries reached an astounding height of 309 feet. Along with its towering height, this tree boasted a canopy that spread over 132 feet in diameter. The remarkable tree was found in the Donam Valley of Sabah. Asner, who saw the tree himself during an aerial expedition, described the experience as profoundly impactful. The sheer size and presence of the tree left a lasting impression on him. Number 2, Sunda pangolin. The endangered Sunda pangolin, often jokingly called an artichoke with legs, might not look like it, but these ancient creatures have been around for 80 million years. This strange animal is the only mammal covered in protective structural protein scales, and it has an astonishingly long tongue that extends farther than its body. Without teeth, its long, sticky tongue is perfect for gathering ants and termites. When threatened, a pangolin will cover its head with its front legs, showing its tough scales to any predator. If touched or grabbed, it curls into a tight ball, using the sharp scales on its tail to lash out. Despite their unique characteristics, little is known about these difficult-to-find creatures, making it hard to estimate their wild population sizes. Also known as scaly ant bears due to their diet, pangolins are the most trafficked mammals in the world. The demand is mainly in Asia and increasingly in Africa for their meat and scales. In the United States, pangolin products are sought after, particularly their leather for making boots, bags, and belts. Despite this high demand, all 8 pangolin species are protected under national and international laws, with 2 species listed as critically endangered on the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species. Number 1, hybrid mystery monkey. In 2017, a mysterious baby monkey was spotted for the first time in the thick rainforests of Borneo. By 2022, possibly the same monkey, now fully grown, continued to baffle scientists. This intriguing creature, dubbed the hybrid mystery monkey, has captured the attention of researchers and wildlife enthusiasts alike. The monkey has been seen swinging through the treetops and feeding on the forest floor, displaying behaviors that are a curious mix of its possible parent species. Researchers believe it might be a mix between a trunk monkey, known for its distinctive large nose and excellent swimming abilities, and a silvery leaf monkey, which is recognized by its silvery gray hair and gentle nature. These two species live in the same forest, but are only distantly related, making this hybridization extremely rare and puzzling. The hybrid monkey's diet appears to be a blend of species preferences, eating fruits, leaves, and seeds. Its appearance is equally unique, featuring a combination of the trunk monkey's nose and the silvery lutum's hair, creating a striking and unusual look. Which one of these strangest things recently discovered in the jungles of Borneo do you find highly interesting? And what do you think the future holds for the jungles of Borneo? Share your thoughts and comments below.